I know the weight of darkness you carry, the battle you face, and the depths of despair you've experienced. Cancer has thrust you into an unimaginable journey filled with pain and uncertainty. In the midst of this relentless storm, it's natural to feel overwhelmed and devoid of hope. But even in the darkest moments, I want you to know that hope can still bloom, and the strength within you can triumph over adversity. I understand that every day feels like an uphill climb, and the weight of this illness may seem insurmountable. The fear and uncertainty surrounding your future can be paralyzing, but I want you to remember that you are not alone in this fight. You have an army of loved ones, friends, and medical professionals standing beside you, each determined to see you through. In the midst of this turmoil, it's essential to remember that hope is not a mere wishful thinking. It's a beacon that guides us through the darkest nights. Hope is the belief that even amidst the storm, there is a light at the end of the tunnel. And that light is not just a distant dream, but a tangible reality that you can reach.
Your journey with cancer has unveiled the warrior within you. Your courage, resilience, and determination to fight are testaments to your strength. Though the road may be arduous, your spirit is indomitable, and you possess the power to overcome this formidable foe. Even when the world seems to crumble around you, remember that hope can be found in the simplest moments: the touch of a loved one's hand, a heartfelt smile, or a beautiful sunrise. Embrace these moments and draw strength from them, for they are the sparks of hope that can ignite a flame within your heart. It's okay to feel overwhelmed, to grieve for the life you once knew, but please don't let cancer steal your joy. Find solace in the small victories, the moments of laughter, and the cherished memories that cancer cannot take away. Surround yourself with love, support, and positivity. Lean on those who lift you up, who remind you of your worth and the beauty of life. Share your fears and vulnerabilities, for in opening up, you allow others to uplift you. You may feel weary and drained, but remember that every step you take, no matter how small, is an act of courage and resilience. Each day you endure is a testament to your strength.
Be kind to yourself and prioritize self-care. Allow yourself to find peace in the stillness and grant yourself permission to let go of what you cannot control. I want you to know that you are not defined by your illness. Cancer is but one chapter in your life story, and it does not diminish the worth of the pages that came before or the chapters that will follow. While the path may be uncertain, I firmly believe that within you lies the power to shape your destiny. Embrace the journey of healing with faith, hope, and an unwavering belief in your ability to overcome. Celebrate the tenacity that resides within you. You are a testament to the human spirit's resilience and the unyielding force of hope. Every day, you defy the odds and inspire those around you with your bravery. In this battle, know that you are surrounded by love and unwavering support. Let this love embrace you, uplift you, and remind you that you are cherished beyond measure. My dear, your spirit is a beacon of light, illuminating the lives of those who know you. Your journey may be fraught with challenges, but I have faith in your ability to overcome. Hold on to hope, for it is the flicker of light that can illuminate the darkest nights.